Onam is celebrated as a sacred day. Let me tell you a little story about Onam. The day of Onam is when the Lord came down to earth as an avatar in the form of small man as Vamana and conferred liberation of Emperor Bali. Bali was a great person, but he had one weakness. He suffered from a slight sense of ego. If we ask a question, who is a great person? The one who sees the human in God. But a good person is the one who sees God in man. Hence, it is more important for people to be good rather than great. Most innovators, entrepreneurs, and entrepreneurs these days want their creations to become great in various ways, in scholarship, in wealth, and position. This is totally misconceived. They should really want their creations to be good. Greatness signifies quantity, goodness is an index of quality. Vamana incarnated to eradicate the undesirable quality of ego in Emperor Bali. Bali was known for his love of his subjects. Poverty was unknown in his realm. He looked after the welfare of his people with an equal eye. He felt proud about his kingdom and his people. Vamana wanted to remove even this pride and redeem Bali. Vamana came down as a small man on this day and asked the emperor to offer him 3-foot space. Bali, being the emperor, thought it is no big ask and immediately promised to fulfill the wish of the small man. Instantly, Vamana grew so big and first foot covered the whole earth. When Vamana asked place for the second foot, Bali applied his thought and could recognize the only other available space is the space itself. When Vamana's foot covered the entire space of this universe, Bali understood the challenge ahead of him. Now he could not think of any more space for the third. He went a little extra in applying thought and offered his own head as the space for the third foot. With that act of Bali, he transcended from the space of applying thought to a thought leader. Before leaving for another world, Bali gave a promise to his people whom he loved. He said he would come back to them every year on Onam Day and bless them. Onam is celebrated as the day of advent of Vamana and Bali. It marks the beginning of a new life. That is why it is celebrated by wearing new clothes and resolving to lead a new life. Here are the 3 little extras that helped him to elevate to the position of a thought leader. Number 1, realization of divinity in everyone. No wonder entrepreneurs treat customers as God. Number 2 is sacrifice, giving up desires of self while creating value for others. Number 3, commitment, honoring your word and doing what it takes to uphold integrity. Applying thought is ordinary. Being a thought leader is extraordinary.